Good afternoon, guys, and good evening. Shalom, shikamo, wagwan, namaste, sobaling, my people. I'm here at the site. I've just come to see how things are working out because now it's not so major. It's not so major. I was sourcing for materials, and now I want to see what has taken place. So this is what has taken place today. This is a kitchenette. So the kitchen counter plus the sink will be here. That is how it has been done. Yeah. So this is what is taking place, and that place has been hacked for the power lines right there. Even this other side, let us see. Even here for this studio, kitchenette is here, is the area, and this consumer unit, power consumer unit, is right there. You can see it there. And this is the top work, the sink area. It's like that. So this is the studio. That's how it looks like. The plaster has been done. So what is left is now working in the washroom area, and yeah, we are in those stages of finishing. Those stages. That's where we are. That's where we are. These are the water points. So the meter will be here. Meter reading, for the meter reading will be there. And yeah, even this one, this particular unit also has its electric consumer unit right there. So all these ones are still here. I'm wondering what will happen next. And the same applies the other side. That house, that unit there, I think there's only one left or something. Maybe there's only one left. Let me see. Let's see what is left now. So now what we have here, this is what is, this other bit here is right here. This is another area that we have. We have this one that has been done. And this is its unit as well, this one here, as you can see. This is the kitchen area. This is the sink area. So now we can go, we can see here as well. So this place, as you can see it as well, this one, and then the consumer unit is right here. And yeah, this is a kitchen. For kitchen, this is where the sink is supposed to be, and the room is, as you can see it right here. This is how it is. And that side also, I think there's somebody who is taking care of himself there, so I won't go in. So that's another place, as you can see it right there. Yeah, so that bit, I think we are done with it. And yeah, I'm going to show you other areas where work has taken place and what kind of work has taken place. So stay tuned. So guys, now we are here up here, and you can see electric work. That is how it's coming up, like that. And I'm asking, the other one has been broken. It's in pieces, it's in bits. But anyway, yeah. So here, wondering why they've added another one. This one has always been here. So this is what was done. This is what was done. Yeah. This is what was done. It's like that. And yeah, just wondering why this area they putting pipes for electricity, and this is just an area for the water tanks. That is all that we expect to be here, not anything else. Yeah, so the stairs is, as you can see, guys, this is how it is. It's like that. Even this other side, if you've seen it, this was chopped, as you can see. This was chopped in order for those power lines to run. So they are supposed to run from here, going down up to the ground. That is what we are dealing with, the nitty-gritty. The nitty-gritty. And the staircase, this is what we have now. Yeah, securing both sides, so that even as you walk, you are safe. So here I have to bend, guys. I have to bend here nicely like this and continue showing you this other side. The rail runs on one side only now. Here, up there is 2, here is 2. When it comes here on this particular staircase, it is 1. It is one side because the wall is securing the other side. So it goes like that, and it makes a corner like this. So this is what was done today, and the other side. Yeah, so tomorrow I think you will be able to run with this one. The mark is already there. You run with that one like that. You run with that. And yeah, you'll run with that. And yeah, so tomorrow the hacking of that wall continues there, that place there. Yeah, so in a nutshell, that is the process that has taken place. The place is messy. It's a construction site. All the timber at one point will be removed, and it will be okay. And you can see there, you can see a lot of metalworks. Right there. Metalworks, lot of metalworks there. Yeah, so these are windows. So the framework was this, and now those are now the completed ones. I think those are 10. They have to go all the way to how many? 65. I think, yeah, 65 is the number. Yeah, so this is how things are, guys. Hey, yeah, those are doors. The ones there are doors. That is how it is. That is how it is. Let me see this other room. Our former car park. How it looks like. This is how it looks like. Yeah. So this is a sitting room right there, and yeah, the door will be here, and it will be leaning towards that side. Yeah, that is how it is. So Just plastering is left. Plastering the place, that is all that is left. So now, yeah, this is how things are. This is how things are. All these are construction materials. Construction materials. And tomorrow I think he will bring the people for plastering and all that to plaster. Oh, Emmanuel. Kwa nashindwa ni nani? Dominic aja nini? Aja Dixon hajarudi. Analala. Ni kama ametravel kutoka mbali sana. LBC si mbali. Kwani alikuwa anakuja miguu? Mbele, unapita town? Oh, okay. Unatembea miguu? Huko ukifika LBC, unachukua matatu? Ama boda? Boda ziko? Masai atapeleka boda? Oh, we uoga. We, kweli? Hey, hiyo ni mzuri. Hiyo ni mzuri sana. Good. Okay. So, he's taking care of the place as the usual young man, Dixon, is away. Yeah. So these ones are for partitioning. And I'm wondering whether there'll be enough. Because up there, he has now finished with that. He's supposed to start the other side, the kitchen side also, the worktops and everything on that other side. And so how many are there? 11. That's why they are 11. He's through with the 5. So he has 11 to go. And these are the stones for that job. Yeah? Maybe he'll mix with a bit of this. A bit of these ones. Otherwise, things are as you can see. Things are as you can see. Yeah. So guys, that is all for today. It was just a short one to show you that the improvement that we made on that area, the staircase and the kitchen tops, and the ongoing work at the ongoing works on the electricity pipes. Yeah. So that is all that I think I wanted to show you. And the home looks like that, as you can see. That's how it looks like. Yeah, it's looking like that from this angle. But maybe as I move further from the wall, the house will look different and even better. Yeah. So that is how it is. Yeah. That way. You see? That is how it looks like. Yeah. So our road is like that. We are expecting rains today. The sky looks dark, as you can see. Looks very dark. Yeah. Yeah, all over. It's now gathering. The clouds are gathering. And yeah, the clouds are gathering. So it can pour any time. It can pour any time. But most likely it will pour at around 7. It will drop around 7, 8. 8 there. You can see. So I just want to go and rest. Yeah. So that's what's going on. So that is how it looks like. That is how the house looks like. Yeah, it looks like that. That is what we have. That's what we have. So it looks like that. Yeah, that is what we have. And with that, guys, I want to say bye for now. Let us meet in the next video. Bye.